Mona Lisa left unharmed, but smeared in cream?
Yeah.
In climate protest stunt? Mo, are you outraged?
These protests have been very, like, bizarre to me. Like, they're not... I don't understand how Mona Lisa has anything to do with the climate stuff, but...
Gluing your hand to
like
a
gluing your
Starbucks
hand.
table.
Yeah.
Are you a big protest guy, Mo?
I don't mind a protest, but I just don't see the connection. You don't like my protest answer?
Don't mind a little weekend protest. Oh, man. Mona Lisa was left shaken but unharmed on Sunday when a visitor to the Louvre. Go ahead, Mo. Give it a shot.
Louvre.
That's it.
You been before?
You're so Canadian. The Louvre.
Louvre. Il mio de Louvre. Da Vinci Code or something? Remember that? Tom Hanks? It was like a huge... Did you read the Da Vinci Code? There's just people on the beach reading this book. People were freaking out. Remember that?
Yeah.
You can't do that anymore in 2022. There's no Da Vinci Code in 2022.
You mean read a book?
No, just like one thing that everybody is doing at once.
Yeah.
Nobody's
It's
doing
more like-
anything together anymore.
Viral videos. Everybody's watching the Johnny Depp and Heard thing.
Oh,
That's
right.
our
I'm not
new-
even watching that.
Yeah, but you also didn't read the Da Vinci Code. So.
I didn't read the Da Vinci Code. or see Titanic.
Right.
Tried to smash the glass protecting the world's most famous painting before smearing cream across its surface in an apparent climate-related publicity stunt. The perpetrator was a man disguised as an old lady who jumped out of a wheelchair before attacking the glass. Maybe this is just nuts to me, posted the author of a video of the incident's aftermath that shows a Louvre staff cleaning the glass. He then proceeds to smear cake on the glass and throws roses everywhere before being tackled by security. The Louvre was not immediately available for what? Is this art? Is this
This is an NFT now.
is that what's going on?
No, I don't think so. I think the person's legitimately protesting something, but I'm just not sure. The message is not clear to me. Like, if you're protesting, your message should be clear.
Really?
I think so. Wouldn't it be more effective?
This is just shock value. It's like you read the title of this and it's just like, oh, the Mona Lisa is harmed.
Unharmed.
Oh, it's a climate protest stunt. And then you immediately think about climate.
Well, I'm sure that there must have been some element that what like a reason why Reuters wrote that. The person, did they say something else? Like, why? How do they know what it is? There?
What?
Well, I'm just saying, to write a headline like that, I would presume that there's evidence.
As to what his
Motive
cause
was.
is.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just a really short article, unless there's more underneath there. Oh, there we go. Another video posted on social media showed the same staffer finishing cleaning the pane while another attendant removes a wheelchair. Think of the, here we go. Think of the earth. People are destroying the earth, the man dressed in a wig said in French in another video posting that showed him being led away from the Paris gallery with the wheelchair, indicating that the incident likely had an environmentalist motive. There you go. Okay, play the sensitive media, Will. Here it is. What is that painting worth? $1 billion? Well, there's glass over top of it. I mean, it's still intense. It's crazy that was sensitive material. It's just somebody wiping.
It's very bizarre.
It's still intense, though, because you know what that's worth. You know that's one of a kind.
Yeah. It's worth 900 million US.
It's kind. Did I say $1 billion? Did I say $1 billion? And after this
But
stunt,
no one can buy it.
no, that they're just saying the last time. I guess it was at auction or something,
Oh, okay, yeah.
or I don't know. I don't know how that works.
Taking inflation into account, it would be worth 900 million in last year.
Probably $1 billion now. Inflation, taking inflation into account, that's $1 billion now.
Yeah, for sure.
Mo, you would know.
Yep.
What'd you buy Tesla at?
Tesla's up today.
Tesla is up. We're creeping.
Right, Mo?
We're coming back up.
Who's we?
Tesla and other Tesla shareholders. Holders.
Like Dave Lee.
Wow.
I don't think he is.
So you are we?
Yeah, we are we. Like,
Whoa! You a big protest guy?
yeah. I don't mind a protest.